Be blessed by the divine. Happy Father's Day. Do you know that there is a beautiful spiritual connection between you and your father? This is a video where I'm going to tell you those secrets. My father's life force is a fundamental life force that powers me, along with my mother's life force. In the Kundalini yoga system, these two life forces are the left and the right life forces forming a microcosmic circuit within my body. The Ida Nadi, or the left side microcosmic circuit, is comprised of life energy particles inherited by me from my mother. The right side microcosmic circuit is formed with life energy particles inherited from my father. How do I know? You can observe it yourself, the way you breathe. If you breathe through your right nostril alone, predominantly, and not so much with your left nostril, your father's imprints, your father's life force, your father's Pingala Nadi circuit has become active. If you are breathing through your left nostril, your mother's microcosmic circuit that you have inherited, that is circuiting, that is forming within your left side, is active, and therefore your left nostril breathing is more predominant. By observing these, you can even distinguish between your own akamya karma, your desire, your will-based, futuristic, resultant karma, versus sanchita karma, what you have inherited and born as desires or thoughts or will from your father's side or your mother's side. By observing this, you can then discriminate whether this thought force is something that you can work on and fulfill in your lifetime. Perhaps it was your father's long lost dream for you to become something great, something wise, something more successful than what you ever could become or what you could probably become on your own. Perhaps you can work on it. Perhaps you can fulfill that desire in your lifetime. Perhaps he wanted to do something greater in your life for the greater good of the world. And here is your chance to resolve yourself that here is a thought force that I am going to work on, and I am going to fulfill this as it is his ambition to do greater good for the world. My father was a hard-working individual while he was still in service. I used to jokingly say that he used to work 10 days in a week. Perhaps it is because of that I work not 10 days, maybe 8 days in a week. I don't remember taking a break. I have always been working. My brain doesn't really recognize Saturdays, Sundays, holidays and things like that. I just keep working throughout the week. I just take a break to meditate every now and then. And of course, I rest as much as I need, my body requires. And I believe this is one of the greatest gifts my father has given to me. So my dear father, happy Father's Day. And all the fathers in the world, let us all together wish Happy Father's Day. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed by the divine.